How do you pronounce Samhain? When you think about Irish Halloween traditions, the word Samhain often comes to mind. But how do you pronounce it correctly? This ancient festival marks the end of the harvest and the start of winter, making it a vital part of Irish culture. Understanding the proper pronunciation shows respect for this rich tradition. In Irish Gaelic, Samhain is pronounced as Samhain. The first syllable sow rhymes with cow. This is the most common pronunciation you will hear in Ireland. The second syllable in sounds just like the word in, as in going into a room. While Samhain is widely accepted, there are some regional variations. In Scotland, for example, the pronunciation may sound more like s chvin. This difference occurs because the mh in Scottish Gaelic can produce a v or w sound. When you travel through Ireland, using the correct pronunciation can enhance your experience. It helps you connect with locals and shows that you appreciate their culture. Many people outside of Celtic regions might say Samhain, but that is not considered authentic. Using the right pronunciation can make your conversations about Samhain and related traditions more meaningful. It opens the door to deeper discussions about Irish customs and social practices. Samhain is not just a celebration. It is a time for honoring ancestors and reflecting on the cycle of life. Many traditional activities include lighting bonfires, wearing costumes, and enjoying festive foods. By saying Samhain, you are participating in a tradition that has been passed down through generations. It is a way to honor the past while celebrating the present. So, the next time you mention Samhain, remember to pronounce it as Samhain. This small effort can make a big difference in how you engage with Irish culture and its vibrant social customs.